If you want to earn some passive income from ICE and that of the frost bit, you can actually do that right now. Okay, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you a link to this particular page at a later time. That should basically be on the description of the video or the comment section. So check that to see the link that you can actually click on, and then you will land on this page. Okay, so this particular page is actually promising us that we can actually earn some passive income by just sharing our unused bandwidth with them. So this is actually, if you scroll a little bit down, you should be able to see down here where it says what is Frostbite. You see that they say that Frostbite is an app that allows you to earn passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It is part of the ION Liberty, a component of ICE Open Network, prioritizing privacy, security, and freedom of speech. Okay, so and what you really need to do on this page is very simple, and their app is actually, you can get it downloaded for iOS, Mac OS, and the other operating system. Okay, so what you need to do on this page right now is to just click on this download APK right here. So I'm going to click on that. So let's keep our eyes on that download. Once it is actually done downloading, we need to go ahead and then register. We need to install it, and after the installation, we can go ahead and then register with the system. Alright guys, so the download is actually complete, and now it's actually asking me if I want to install or not. Okay, so I did want to install this. So what I basically want to do right now is to click on install, and the installation is actually going to begin. Alright, so I think that the installation is actually done, and we can go ahead and open the app up by clicking on open right here. Okay, so from here, all right, so I think I do have a battery saver turned on, and maybe I need to like make sure that I keep that to unrestricted. So let's click on resolve now, and then it's going to bring me to this page, and what I basically need to do is to go to battery saver. So I want to click on battery saver, and the battery saver is actually recommended right here, and I want to set this to no restrictions. Let's set it to no restrictions. Okay, and that is all we need to do on this page. And then I want to go back, and then go back once more, and then this page will now kind of open up for me, guys. So the next thing I need to do right here is to go ahead and register, and to do that is really very simple. I want to scroll down here and then click on sign up right here, and let me input my email right here. So this is going to be a lot of apps at gmail.com, and then let's go ahead and click on continue. And they must have sent me a notification, so I need to check my phone and then put the code right here. Let me check my email rather to get that. So let me do that by checking my second phone. Alright, so I've seen it in my second phone. So the number is actually this is 567 right there, and once you put it and it's actually correct, it's automatically links you up to the next page. And down here, the next step right here is to say that you already enter your referral code and get $5 right now. Okay, so what you need to do right now is to check the description, or you can actually take a look at this screen. I'm going to actually put my referral code on the screen so that you guys can actually use that, and once you do it, you are going to earn $5 instantly. Okay, so let's do that right now. I want to enter my own. So after you enter that, the next thing you need to do is to just go ahead and click on verify. And once you click on verify, it's going to say congratulations, and then it will print out this page for you, so you can actually go ahead and then click on next right here, and you can enter your nickname right here. So I'm going to enter my nickname, and basically this nickname is actually going to be the what is it called, it's basically going to be what I'm going to be using for my referral. So you can actually use Benkino to get referred, and then you are going to instantly earn that particular amount that I just told you, which is $5. So finally, you can go ahead and then click on finish, and then it says welcome reward, and it says congratulations, you have received your first $5 as your welcome bonus. And that is what you can actually see right here. Okay, so that is just that. So you can finally click on complete, and that is just that. Okay, so as time goes on, you're going to see that the money or whatever that you're actually earning is actually going to be increased right here. Okay, so this, what you are seeing right here, is actually $5 worth of ICE that you are actually seeing right here. Okay, and then when you get to like $20, you can actually withdraw. Okay, that's actually the minimum payout that they can actually do. Or they even said it down here, collect 15 to reward the payout. Okay, so once you're able to get like that kind of $15, you can actually request for payout and they will pay you. So that is all, guys. So if you like what I have just shown you guys on this video, then hit the like button. And then for those of you who are not actually following my page or subscribe to my channel, I'm sorry, we may not see again, but for those who are actually subscribed and then following me, congratulations, you're going to keep on seeing things of this nature. In other words, if you are not subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe or follow me on Facebook right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.